So welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I have been very busy this week with 4th of July and moving in my roommates here at last, and we've been everywhere trying to get them jobs, and it's been more work than it has been play. But don't get me wrong, there's been some play because I believe you have to play a little bit. So I've been so excited to get back here and talk to you guys because a few things have changed. Having roommates, having the rest of my stuff from California, finally having my jewelry box, yes. Lorion Beauty sent me this amazing blow dryer, and when they contacted me, asked me what tool I was interested in, and I looked around at all the hair tools, and there were some curling wands, some flat irons, and since I just received a flat iron and I just bought a curling wand, I was like, well, what I really need is a great blow dryer. So I decided, you know, I haven't bought a really good blow dryer since cosmetology school. It was time for blow dryer, and I'm usually somebody who goes with classic black for most of my tools, unless it's something I think looks very chic and amazing in a color. Rather than just going with the matte black or the sleek shiny black, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take a look at the colors, I'm gonna break out of my box, I don't care if the tool doesn't match everything else I own. I want something fun that cheers me up in the morning, and that's what I went for. So I picked out this gorgeous Lorion Beauty blow dryer, and the shade is hot pink. After I picked out this particular hair dryer, I almost wish I got it in peacock because I was like, oh, that's my thing. I love teals and purples, but I am very happy I got this very girly blow dryer. That makes me feel very happy. But what I really like about this blow dryer is that it has Ionic Technology. And what we really like about our flat irons is that they have tourmaline technology, Ionic Technology, and whether we're using it as a beach wave wand or a flat iron wand, it's very smooth and it gives us a texture that we would not organically have on our own. No amazing hair happens on its own. So you need great products. And I like that hair dryers are becoming revolutionized nowadays. The Ionic Technology really helps smooth the cuticle and gives you that sleek, glossy look. And the cool thing about it is that it's a little bit more easier to hold this particular model because it's got like, it smooths out and is very kind of narrow right here. So you can get your hand on that part and you can really hold it like that. A lot of hairstylists you'll see will hold it like this, and I do believe that gives you a little less control because you're holding the heaviest part in your wrist. I really like to just hold it here and be able to move my wrist personally. But I do understand why some people hold it here. It's just basically they don't want to hold on to a whole other attachment is what that is. So for me, it's a weight thing. We also have a gorgeous cord that's big and it wraps, so it's perfect for salon use if your outlet's far away. And if you don't have a lot of outlets in your house, so much the better. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and show you guys all the amazing features. Now, just so you know, I did style my hair myself with this particular blow dryer because I wanted you to see the results of what this blow dryer can do. And I definitely think my hair looks a lot more smooth and shiny on its own now. I used to always hate that first shower I would take right after I got away from the beauty salon because it basically meant that my hair wasn't gonna be as perfect as the professionals did it. And even though I'm a professional cosmetologist, I didn't have the proper tools until now to get that perfect, you know, fluffy but big, beautiful hair. So with this, you have 2 buttons. And what I really like is that you know all your technology is on by this. Now, note this turned blue. That's cool air. And the green button, once I have all these working, will give me that hot heat and that perfect Ionic Technology that smooths the cuticle. Now, if you're somebody like me who has hair that you don't want to fade, it's something that is added, it's a demi-permanent, a semi-permanent, a bolder color than this pretty violety red, you definitely want to try to use a little bit of a colder heat because heat does fade color. Now, this actually does come with 2 shovels. You have the big shovel, and I do like the big shovel just because my natural hair texture is very curly and it I don't have the thickest cuticle, but I do have thick hair technically and a lot of hair per diameter. It's not the thickest hair you'll ever see, but it's thick. And this particular little guy is really good for fine hair. And this big old mama that I'm using is a little easier to use for thicker hair. This is also especially nice if you decide to go ahead and get a short haircut. And then of course, for us curly girls, this is probably the biggest little mama I've ever seen when it comes to attachments. I haven't even seen one this big on a professional's hairdryer. So this kind of accommodates very big, amazing, wavy, curly hair or whatever, and it really lets you just sort of play with it. Now, this end right here does get very, very hot, so you want to cool before you change your attachments, and you want to make sure the attachment that you want is switched over before you begin any processes. So if you know you want curly hair that day, what you want to do is blow dry really close, and that kind of closes the cuticle and allows it to be very, very curly. And this is really only going to work on people who already have wavy to curly hair. This will not automatically make your hair curly, just so you know. The price of this blow dryer is $175. It is a very expensive blow dryer. Do not get me wrong. This is not something that you would just purchase for the heck of having it. Now, if you're somebody who does have a credit card, lucky you. Of course, those things can be dangerous. The good thing about this is that you can also pick your converter, which type of cord you have. You can pick a USB cord, which is this one, the European cord, the Canadian cord. I think that's what that stands for. So your blow dryer is customizable in a sense, aside from the color that you want. This is also known as powerful motor. Aside from the Ionic Technology, it is a pro blow dryer. Of course, Pro Tools are not cheap. This is no Conair. This is a little bit up there. This is like something you'd see at a hair show, and it's a little bit more than a bed head even. Bed head is like a very affordable, pro-esque tool. For all the technology this thing contains, I'm not shocked that it's as heavy as it is. In the future, I think we'll see maybe a slightly smaller blow dryer that is slightly lighter weight. But is this lightweight? It's not the most lightweight blow dryer I've ever had, but I like the weight of it because I know it feels like a good tool. It feels steady in my hand. You don't necessarily need a flat iron anymore. In all honesty, there is a bad way to dry your hair and there's a good way to dry your hair, and air drying can actually snap and wisp your hair around. So it is good to have some amount of controlled drying. Also, flat irons are probably the worst tool for your hair. I know so many people who have broken their hair off using flat iron, and many people use a flat iron incorrectly. So you don't want that to be, you don't want to break off your hair. Let's say you pay good money for your color, your hair, whatever. I know I do. You don't want to ruin your investment piece. And not only is it nature's gift, it's also an investment, regardless of how you look at it. This is the first thing people see about you. This is the first thing people notice about you, and they put a number to your name in a way. You are recognizable by your hair. You are viewed by your hair. Now, also, with this, there's a great way to dry your hair, and that would be nozzle down. A cooler temperature for colored treated hair, especially color that is known for fading. I have a code in the bottom bar for you guys. It's going to take a huge amount off for you. You're going to love it. So go ahead, use that code. It is, I need to tell you this, it is an affiliation compensation code. You don't have to use my code. If somebody else is reviewing this blow dryer, you can use their code. So just trying to make you safe. Anyways, that being said, it's also very important when you're using the blow dryer to have products you can leave in your hair. That's going to make a huge difference. The blow dryer alone will do a major trick, but in order to smooth out flyaways, frizzies, cowlicks, all those swirls that make your hair stand up, you need some smoothing tools. Now, one of my favorite new products is the Shea Moisture Zanzibar Marine Complex Age Defy and Color Protect Leave-In Conditioner. This has black pearl protein and sea buckthorn, and it does give 10% back to the Commerce Initiative. And I like this one. It's got a little spray. It's actually got 2 different sprays, I think, but you can just spray it right into your hair and be somewhat generous if your hair allows it. I like it because it doesn't leave my scalp feeling itchy or sticky. I don't know if you've ever used blow dry serum that does that. One of my favorite blow dry serums in the past was the Bumble and Bumble blow dry serum, and I love that one, but everything Bumble and Bumble makes my scalp itch, and it's pricey to use that. And you're like, why do I need a blow dry serum? Oh my god, there's serum for your face, there's serum for your eyes, there's serum for it. Oh my god, I can't keep up. Yes, there's a serum for your hands even, but this is a great guy that works kind of like a blow dry serum, and it is just a leave-in conditioner that helps your hair age defy and color protect. And then that's a really great one, and then this is a really great UV protector as well if you have very colorful hair. Protection, UV filters, more color protection. I like these before. I'll put both of these in actually. This has taken the place of my argan oil because sometimes I don't like the really wet consistency argan leaves, so I prefer this one sometimes. And then for aftercare, to give my hair some volume, I don't like to tease my hair necessarily because it does kind of put a lot of wear and tear on color hair. And this is especially good for redheads. There's no color in this one. This is just a scented one. It's Fruity and Cheeky Cherry Batiste. It's a drugstore dry shampoo that's made in the UK, cruelty-free and vegan, and costs about $6.99. And dry shampoo will give you volume, and it will also purify your hair a little bit. So if you have colored hair that you can't shampoo every single day because it will fade, that's a great great styling tool, great hair refresher. And I was able to go 1 extra day without getting my hair wet just because of the dry shampoo. So I love those. Those are my favorite products right now to deal with the blow dryer situation. And I really love this blow dryer. I give it 2 thumbs up, and I can't wait to see more from Lorion Beauty in the future. I want to thank Lorion Beauty very much for sending me this blow dryer. It has been a game changer for me. And I hope if you do pick it up, it'll be a game changer for you. And I want this in peacock so bad. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this one, and it was great to see you all again. Bye. I love tuning in and talking to you guys and also hearing your feedback. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to get more from me so I can hear your thoughts and produce more great content for you. Thank you for watching today's video.